Okay, how to set time on your dashboard on Nissan Micra 2005 1.4. All right, you put your key into the ignition barrel and then you turn your car on. After turning the car on, there are two knobs here. Number one on the left, number two on the right side. All right, you depress it until the hours start to blip. Hours are blipping. While depressing, you turn the knob. You turn the knob while depressing until your desirable hour. Let's go. It's 19. All right. You pull back and then you wait for the minutes to blip. Minutes are blipping. You go back. You depress again. You turn. All right. We are turning. We're 43. We'll go back to 43 because that is the time right now. I'm at 46. Now that's too much. I will continue. I will continue to turn again. You just have to be careful so that you don't pass your desirable time. 42, 43, yeah, 44 will be fine. All right. Now you pull off. You wait for the car to stop. All right. Yeah. Your time is set by this way. That's all.